ये है यहाँ का शुहदा पार्क। और शुहदा पार्क के अंदर आज एक तकरीब मुनक्कद हो रही है और इट इज़ अबाउट द martyrs and those who embraced Shahada during this war between India and Pakistan. India is a scoundrel country, a rogue country, and they are seen terrorizing their neighbors, especially Pakistan. Actually, they were against the creation of Pakistan. But once Pakistan was created, they wanted to eliminate it, but it could not be done. Pakistan survived. Not only that, Pakistan survived, Pakistan kept thriving as well. Today, Alhamdulillah, Pakistan has become a very important country in the world today. So for all that reason, I think that Pakistan have got every right to live with the dignity on the map of the earth. No one else can eliminate Pakistan. Pakistan is here to live forever. Pakistan will live gloriously. But as for the India's plans are concerned, particularly the BJP-led government there in India, they are desperately, trying to isolate Pakistan, but they will never ever succeed. Pakistan will thrive. Pakistan will not only survive, but Pakistan will thrive as well. Look at these people. These citizens are raising slogans in favor of Pakistan. Pakistan, Pak Fauj Zindabad. Pakistan, Paindabad. This is the situation here, and this was a kind of, gathering by the citizens of this town. People have gathered here, and they wanted to. The people have gathered here, and they are raising slogans in favor of the Pak army, in favor of their own country. Pakistani people are patriotic people. Pakistanis are the peace-loving people on the earth, and for that reason, I think the Pakistan has survived with the dignity. Pakistan will keep surviving with the dignity. Look at all these people. They are from the different platforms. Some of these are from the Chamber of Commerce, while some of these are belonging to the different political parties of the town. So that is all. There are reasonably good number of people here, and they are raising slogans in favor of their own country. Pakistan, it is a war of few days, but during this very brief war, the Pakistan has proven its might, and the Pakistan military has proven that they are one of the very, very good armies. They are one of the best armies, or maybe they are the best army in the world today. No country on earth can dare to every country, and particularly India, if at all they have challenged us. I think that they will not be here they will not be able to survive this battle. And look at only a short while ago, there were good number of people here, but many of those people are still here in the park. Some of those people are gone, but see that here a political leader is talking to the media person. Let's go there and let's listen to his talk, what he is saying.
पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं, पाकिस्तान की फोर्सेस उनके जो अफवाज हैं उनके ऊपर पूरा एतमाद रखें इंशाल्लाह कि आज पाकिस्तान का दिफा मजबूत हाथों के अंदर है अल्लाह की मदद से। इंशाल्लाह कोई मसला नहीं होगा और आइंदा भी इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान की एक एक इंच की हिफाजत के लिए हमारे नौजवान मौजूद हैं, ये जब दलेर मौजूद हैं और इसी तरीके से जिस तरह अल्लाह ने आज तौफीक दी है मुस्तकबिल में भी इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान का दिफा इसी अंदाज में होगा इंशाल्लाह।
He is Abdullah Nisar, leader of Pakistan Markazi Muslim League. And there were reasonably good number of people here. Still this park is crowded with a lot of people, particularly the youth, and they are here. They demonstrated in favor of the Pak army. They were raising slogans, Pak army Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad. This was a war of few days only, but Pak army has taught a very strong lesson to the Indian army and to the BJP-led government there in India. I think Pakistan has got every right to live with the dignity. Pakistan survived for the 75-80 years, and Pakistan will keep thriving. Another 1,000 years, forever. I think Pak army is a Pakistan. Pak army in the world. They are the Pakistan Muslim League, appreciate Pak Army's combat strategy and might of Pak Army, plus the support of Pakistani people, which is unwavering for the country of Pakistan, for the army of Pakistan. This is a beautiful Shuhada Park. And a very important ceremony did take place here. Look at some of the people are still here and they are talking to the media. I think let's move further and let's talk to the more people and what they are seeing here. Pakistan Zindabad. Zindabad. Pak Fauj Zindabad. Pak Fauj Zindabad. ISI Zindabad. Pak Fauj Zindabad. Pakistan Zindabad. BJP Murdabad. Murdabad. This is Pak. This is the Shuhada. And some think that and people of people gathered here. There were a very number of people, particularly the young folks, and they were demonstrating. They were in favor of the Pak army. They are here to somehow, assure the Pak army that the country, people of the country are supporting. They are fully supporting Pakistan army, and they will stand shoulder to shoulder with the Pak army, and they are going to teach a very strong lesson to the India and to BJP. Let go of their in India. Let's move forward and let's to some people what they are saying about this war, and you can see that there are very good number of people gathered in this park, and they are here actually to support the Pakistan. It really think great, and I think that any nation with such a spirit, they cannot be defeated at all. And look at, let's go outside and let's see that there are people, there are young folks here who are raising slogans in favor of the Pak army, and let's see what they are talking about. Let's see, these are all younger folks, and they are very enthusiastic. They are very